Everybody, Brian back here with a look at HBAR. Okay, been telling you guys and telling you guys about this thing. You know, I've been calling it ever since it bottomed out right over here. This double bottom right here. Boom, boom. Put a price target up here, and we ended up coming right up into it. Right up. What did this thing end up hitting? Let's get off. Let's get that price up here. Yeah, it came up and hit what 30.304. Right, so it came right into our target area, right up here, and then has rolled back down. Okay, right back in and starting another bounce here. You have an overhead resistance. Be very easy to tell when this thing breaks to the upside. Let's see if it, you know, kind of did poke a hole through it already. This is on a daily. Put that on a 1. Now we're gonna pull it out right on it anyway, right out here. If it comes back up and smashes through that again, that'd be a very, very good sign here, right, for HBAR. This thing, man, it's starting to march on its way back up here. Okay, I'm ignoring these wicks. These happen everywhere. You know, the whole way through the market. Black Swan event. I think when you're charting this stuff, I'm totally ignoring them. Right? Yeah, this thing pulled right back down to a 786. Wow, beautiful. You know, it's starting to get a bounce here. You got the daily RSI right about near the top here. Probably going to poke a hole. Probably going to end up looking something like this, I'd imagine. Right? You got 1, 2, 3. Probably going to poke a hole up through here, back test it as support, and then a fifth wave back up here. Now, how high could this thing start going? Hard to tell until it really goes here. On the weekly, look at that. Just turning up on the weekly, the RSI. Had this falling wedge breakout, came back down, retested it, and ran up here to right back up to a 618. Okay, as far as the fib goes, we'll be looking for it hopefully to smash through that area and head higher, right, on this next run back up. Maybe this is all just a big something like this, a 1, 2, at 3, 4, 5. That'd be nice to see. Maybe a double top, like back over, double top over here. That'd be the target for it. If you come right off this high, I'd say 1618 would be a double top. I can see that happening back up towards 55 cents. No doubt about it. We entered 2 really nice trades in Discord. KASPA, and a Litecoin short, and they are both in profit big time. We've been winning. We've been doing very well over there. So if you're interested in signing up for that, that's a level 3 in the description of the video. Check this out too. Block tag, supposed rumors about Coinbase and Kraken, a leak that they're going on there. That'd be huge. That block tag on Coinbase and Kraken, along with the other 10 or 15 places that's being listed. So big news coming out here, potentially with block tag. If you're interested in that, there's a link in the description of the video too. Check that out. Possibly some very big things happening here with block tag. They've raised almost $500 million, right? I'm looking for Bitcoin to run back up here, up into this box, and then we'll see what happens with it. Probably something like this, right back up towards 117 to 119. That's your 618 and 702, and we'll see what happens once it gets back up there. But come join us in Discord, guys. It's a level 3 membership. Description's only $15, and start trading some of these trades. We have an alt season coming up very, very soon. HBAR is looking great. Looking for it to run back up here. Probably up into the 29, 30 cent area again, and then we'll see what happens after that. See if it can break through there and get up to these higher targets. Looking very good. Looking at weekly RSI just starting to the upside. Looking great. Thank you so much, guys. I love you. I'll talk to you soon.